LG updated its mid-range phones at the Mobile World Congress this year. And while we were all distracted by its flashy flagship devices this week, one of those affordable phones, the K30, was available at T-Mobile. It is a renowned K10, which LG announced in February of this year. It has a 5.3-inch HD screen, 32 GB of storage, a 13-megapixel rear camera, a 5-megapixel front camera and a 2880 mAh battery. T-Mobile does not even show the phone's RAM, probably 2 GB, or the processor model, so it's a great signal. And probably also keep using Android Marshmallow. On the bright side, the phone is charged by USB-C. Good job, LG. The K30 costs $225, or $9 per month for 2 years. The rest of the K-series phones update will probably remain abroad.